Hi, welcome to PK's Prop Shop. My name is PK and this is my prop shop. In this video I will show you how I made the helmet from Mandalorian. For this build I will use this particular helmet as the base. This is the top portion of the helmet. For the side and the back and the front I am going to make a template out of paper. This I will use it to mark it on the plastic sheet to form the basic shape. For fixing the plastic sheet to the helmet, I am using the contact cement from Fevicryl. This is called SR998. Once it is fixed, I need to hide the seam. For that, I am using this quick seal. This is a sealant which is great for hiding the seams. In some places, I have also used this Fevicryl. This is a 2-part epoxy compound which you can mix it up and mold it to the shape. With that, I will be able to complete and hide all the seams and make it a perfect piece. For the earpiece, I will use this 1/4-inch plywood. This will make it sturdy. For the details, I will use a 10 mm foam sheet and I will carve out the details in that. And the back of the helmet has details. I will use this plastic sheet to make those details and attach it to the helmet. visor, I got a long helmet visor which I can use it to trace the pattern and cut it out. I will attach the visor to the plastic sheet on the helmet using the contact cement. The helmet is ready. I have covered all the visor area with the painter's tape to protect it from painting, and it also fit perfectly. The helmet is finally ready after painting. Now the Mandalorian helmet is not black, it is a shiny metal finish. To do this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a silver powder which is used in the fabric paint, and I'm going to just sponge it on top of it to get that shiny effect. I'll show you how. you like this week's build of the Mandalorian helmet. I have listed down all the materials that I have used for this build in the description. For more videos, subscribe to my channel at pkpropshop. Until next time, this is PK signing off.